That black dot up there is a raw egg, moments before it fell from the edge of space. I built the entire system that got it there. The goal? Land an uncracked egg from higher than anyone ever had, using nothing but gravity, a weather balloon, and a rocket I designed myself. Every falling object has a terminal velocity, the max speed where drag finally balances gravity. For a human, that's around 120 miles per hour. For a raw egg, my calculations put it at 75. Before touching space, I ran ground tests, dropping eggs onto a mattress at higher speeds than that, and logged an 83 mile per hour impact with the egg still intact. The mattress worked. The real plan? Clamp the egg to a rocket, ride a weather balloon to the edge of space, release, free fall. Past Mach 1, then steer home using 4 fins onto a target mattress. Attempt 1 failed at 10,000 feet. A metallic tracking streamer jammed the GPS, so the onboard computer miscalculated its own speed and released the egg early. Attempt 2. Fixed streamer, but wind pushed us off course. We released manually, and the fins spun the rocket into an uncontrolled dive, traced back to a single reversed sign in the code. After consulting engineers who've actually landed rovers on Mars, I redesigned the whole system around real spacecraft physics: rigid fins, aerodynamic braking to shed speed after breaking the sound barrier, a parachute borrowed straight from the Curiosity landing, and airbags modeled on the ones that cushioned the Spirit and Opportunity rovers. On the final launch, the balloon spun, tangled its own self-destruct line, and came down early at 150 miles per hour, well past safe egg survival speed. The payload auto-ejected at 20,000 feet anyway, deployed its chute, and landed on its airbags. 2 eggs came down with 0 cracks, the highest egg drop on record. So tell me, what's the wildest fall you think could survive a real terminal velocity impact? Drop your guess below and subscribe if you want to see the next experiment.